Okay, another tool I want to show you real quickly, just to so you know it's there. And the reason I'm going to do this really quickly is my Office 365 is really having some problems this afternoon. But anyway, through the Power, you go to the 365 and you bring up PowerPoint. Here I am. Let's load this one in there. This was a presentation I did last week to some education support unit staff at Wodonga TAFE. Really talking about this very issue. So I won't go through all of that sort of stuff, but yeah, let me click on that one. Let's click on that one. What I want to do, when you start your slideshow, there's an option to do subtitles. See that? You can change languages as well. So the subtitle language could be in another language. So I'm speaking in English, but the subtitles might actually come in Arabic, for example. That's really cool if you're in using it for someone with a different English as a second language. So, and you can also put the subtitles in a different spot. Let's put them on top overlaid. Then you start your slideshow. I'm going to start it from the current screen, and because I've got that turned on, it's going to pop up. Okay, here we have some options for live transcribing. And I wait for it to work. Yeah, so that's really struggling at the moment, so I'm not going to persevere with it because it's just having a real hard time at the moment. So, which is a real problem and a real negative in that sense. But in a classroom setting, this could be really good because you've got someone in the class who is hearing impaired, or even that second language function. You could have live transcriptions going while you're doing a PowerPoint, and it might be that you just have you don't even have it can be blank as a blank slideshow. I will come back and do this another time, I think, with the PowerPoint and update it. But for now, I'll put this one in there just to show you that it exists. And some of the stuff. The problem you've got with it though, you've got the online version that does the subtitle stuff. Then you've got the desktop version which actually does screen recording, which is really important from a teacher's point of view. But neither of them do both, because the idea was with live transcribing, you could have it screen recorded. In this case, I'm doing a different way, but if it was built into the machine itself, you would have yourself a video of something transcribed straight away from a presentation, which would be much easier for a teacher, but there are ways around it, and I'll cover that through videos 7 and 8 in different ways, but I also want to explore some of these other tools. So let's get into them, and apologise for this tool not working for me at the moment, but that's the limitations we get, guys. And this really is about environments. At the moment, my environment from an internet point of view with 365 is really struggling. As I say, I have a feeling that's my work SharePoint system. And I might even test this out on my other app to see how that goes.